Hello everyone, my name is Alinur Arifin. My cadet number is 23.59.4002. I am from Marine Transportation. I will create video about recontext. New Year. Last New Year was very special because I celebrated it with my family. We decided to go on holiday to a villa in the mountains, a place far from the hustle and bustle of the city. The cool atmosphere and calming natural views made yesterday's holiday very memorable. Upon arrival at the villa, we all immediately enjoyed a different atmosphere than usual. Our extended family consisting of parents, siblings, and cousins gathered together to enjoy quality time. We made a schedule of fun activities, gathered in the family room to play board games, and even cooked dinner together. There were lots of laughs and exciting stories that we shared. The peak of excitement occurs when New Year Eve arrives at 12 o'clock. We together counted down and celebrate the New Year with shouts of joy. The dark sky was decorated with fireworks from a distance, adding to the excitement of the night. Last holiday was not just about destination or activities but about together, which made the New Year moments feel more meaningful. Last New Year reminded me how precious time spent with the people we love is. Thank you.